Hello everyone, if you're trying to watch any video on Twitter and you keep getting this error, this video is not available in your location, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Twitter easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and once you're here, you're going to search for Cloudflare WAP. You're going to go onto this link and then you're going to download the software up. Click download latest stable release, download the software, and once it's done downloading, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to click onto Cloudflare WARP. You're going to go into this settings icon. You're going to click 1.1.1.1 with WARP and then click connect. Wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now you're just going to open up Twitter and you'll see that now you will be able to watch any video you want and you will not get that this video is not available in your location error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.